local weather authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
This is time-lapse video taken earlier this evening from our Roanoke-Blacksburg Airport Skycam. Notice some really nasty weather pushing through the region for about 45 to 60 minutes earlier. Now things have settled down. We're not fully dry, but things are better than they were just 60 minutes ago. We still have some bouts of some heavy rain towards the Mountain Empire, especially in the parts of Wythe, Grayson, and Pulaski counties. We also have some leftover showers a little bit further towards the east into parts of Bedford and also into parts of Henry and Pittsylvania counties. All this pushing to the east at a clip of around about 20 to 25 miles per hour. So while we're not fully dry, we don't have any severe weather, and now our focus is turned more towards localized flooding, and we will have the chance to see some localized flooding, especially along and to the west of that I-77 corridor here for the next couple of hours or so. Here's a look at the regional view. Things are very quiet, very, very close to us. Here's the deal, though. This cold front that impacted us this evening is going to stall close enough to us tomorrow where it'll still provide us a chance for some hit or miss thunder showers after lunchtime. It's not until Thursday where we're able to tap into that drier air to the northwest of us. So I want to show you future tracker, and as we look at Wednesday, we're going to have a day where we're partly sunny. We're dry in the morning. But as we head beyond about 1, 2 o'clock, that's when we're going to see a better chance for some pop-up thunder showers. And again, the best chance for these hit or miss thunder showers tomorrow will be in areas along and south of Highway 460, such that you have a better chance for rain in the NRV and south side than you do up towards the Highlands and southern Shenandoah. And a couple of storms could pack a punch, but you need to know the coverage area of the showers and thunderstorms tomorrow much lower than what we saw outside today. Thursday will be a day where we enjoy a mix of sun and clouds all day long, and Thursday looks dry. May have the chance for a couple of stronger thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening in places like Danville, South Boston, also into areas say near Keysville. So it's our southeasternmost counties that have the best chance for a couple of stronger storms as we head into the heating of the day tomorrow. And of course, we are also keeping an eye on July's full moon. It is called the buck moon, named for the time of year that male deer grow new antlers. It is going to be the largest and brightest super moon of 2022. So get out there and enjoy it. And again, it's really close to full tonight, but it's going to actually be full as we head into tomorrow night. It's muggy outside. It's humid. Dew points right now, mid to upper 60s. It's going to stay muggy tomorrow, but once that frontal boundary gets beyond us tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening, we're going to turn slightly less humid as we head into Thursday and Friday. So the humidity drops a tad, with most of the thunderstorms late this week into this upcoming weekend staying to the south of us. That's where we have a tropical low that's going to throw a lot of moisture towards the Gulf Coast states here over the course of the next 2 to 3 days. Right now at 11:17, it is 71 in Roanoke, 70 in Lynchburg, 76 still in Danville, mid to upper 60s in Hot Springs, Covington, Wytheville, Blacksburg, Hillsville, and Galax. Going zone by zone tomorrow, highs in the NRV around 84, mid to upper 80s in the Highlands, especially say towards Covington and Clifton Forge. You're a little bit cooler towards Hot Springs and Monterey. High temperatures tomorrow, Roanoke, Lynchburg, and Southside, upper 80s to near 90. For tonight, we're looking at any thunder showers ending. Fog may form. Overnight lows tonight 64 to 72. For the day tomorrow, very warm, still humid. Hit or miss thunder showers after 1 p.m. in areas along and south of Highway 460. And in your extended forecast, highs for the next 7 days 85 to 90 with overnight lows 66 to 72. Notice Thursday dry. We could have a few thunder showers Friday. Hit or miss thunder showers Saturday, Sunday. Scattered showers and thunderstorms Monday and Tuesday. So once we get beyond Thursday, the weather will turn a little more unsettled once again.